Cicadas are coming.
Cicadas are insects. They have 6 legs, they have wings, and they lay eggs. Cicadas can be up to 2 inches long. Cicada babies are called nymphs, and they have been living underground. They crawl because they can't fly. They're soft. Soon, the nymphs will crawl out of the ground. Their bodies will get harder and darker. Then adult cicadas can fly. They fly into trees and they hang from branches. The group of cicadas coming this summer is called Brood X. Cicadas come in a group. Brood X cicadas come in May and June. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Look at that red eye. Wow. People feel different ways about the cicadas. Some people are curious or excited or nervous or bored or afraid or even something else. How do I feel about cicadas? Am I People act in different ways around cicadas. Some people examine them, or ignore them, or hurt them, or even collect them. I can act calm around cicadas. I can look at them. I can ask questions and learn about them. I can tell somebody if I feel nervous. I can take slow, deep breaths. I can cover my ears. I can figure out something else calm to do. Cicadas do not hurt people. They don't sting. Around July, the cicadas will leave and go back underground. The brood will come back. This brood will come back in 17 years. Other cicadas might come back next summer. The end. but not really. This version of Cicadas Are Coming is an update of a 2013 work of Kim Singleton, the director of TechOWL and SLP, and Fran Teller, an occupational therapist. If you have any questions or comments, reach out. We're at techowl@temple.edu or see us online at techowlpa.org. Here's a funny joke about cicadas. Why couldn't the cicada sing? Because he was sick